Hi guys, how you doing today? Welcome to yet another episode of our reviews here on For the Love of Cars. Now, this is a car that everyone has fallen in love with, apart from me, Sijagarangako. I will tell you, Sijagarangako. But you guys like it. So who am I to not bring it to you? This is the Toyota Alex. Now, this is special. This is not your normal Alex. This is the Toyota Alex TSZZE. Eno Yanjaulo.
Not just a brand for car lovers across the land.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration.
I
watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Why you know you want to see?
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spazio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
It's a feeling good.
This is the darling of most of you guys. Some of you guys, especially the people that have not yet bought cars, and you're thinking to buy a car 20 million and below, you are definitely thinking the Alex is one of your options. Now, why is it an option? It's one of the compact vehicles, very easy to maneuver around town, while also giving you comfort, well, considerable comfort. Now, this is the younger sister of the Toyota Fielder. It's the younger sister of the Toyota Wish. It's the immediate twin of the Corolla, the one like the Namokade. The spares is again a Muishe, zigena Momorokene, is Awansi. It's very easy to maintain, and that's one of the reasons why you like it. But better than anything else, you guys like the Toyota Alex because it has a 1.5 liter. Or does it? So this one, the one I'm seated in, has the 2ZZ engine, not the 1NZ engine. Now the 1NZ engine will give you the efficiency that you guys like, 12 kilometers, 13 kilometers. This one is a bigger engine. I'm going to show you what makes it different. Now, almost everything else is the same. However, red, which makes it different. Why? Because now this car was created to give you performance, higher revs. But the disadvantage is that it's a 4-speed automatic. But I like it. Everything is Alexish. Everything else is Alexish. Na ye, gache chochoka choka, echinzo okujawula nti engine ya amaanyi ebeera moroka ya njawulo.
We break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tell. Village try to see the scale. We talk the truth.
There is something about this car in the manual mode. When you put in manual, you have 2 buttons or 4 buttons in total. Now, the 2 buttons are at the top for you to change the gears and engage number 1, engage the stronger gears. And then you have the buttons at the back, that give you the ability to engage the higher gears. Now, let's put in manual. So I'll put, if I'm in gear number 2, if I want to put number 3, I just click the button behind and it will give me number 3. I click the button behind again, it will give me number 4. And it doesn't have number 5, so that's where it ends. Now, if I want to bring them back to the bigger gears, I just click the down button here, the one at the top, boom, and then I'll come back number 3, a boo, and then I'll come back number 2. I feel the strength, a boo, and then I'll come back number 1. And that's how the manual for this car. You remember some of the modern cars that you guys have will come with paddle shifters. This doesn't have paddle shifters. So I can actually shift my gears faster with these buttons. Let's take it, the Uganda wange. The buttons. I'm sure some of you guys. Now, these buttons were also popular with Harrier old models, yeah? They had these buttons. But and that's the sportiness that it has.
Helping every drummer in the town. For the love, for the love, for the love of cause Uganda.
On the outside, it definitely looks like any Alex. It's black. A color that most of you guys don't like. But it's like any Alex. Wano maso. Inagali amatara gafaga bulijjo ge gali mu Fielder, ge gali mu Corolla every day. What's different here? Ina kagrill akakatimba kenkoko. This came with it though. It's not here. And bumper erabikira ddala ng'eya Fielder yennyini ng'eya Corolla yange namukadde. Basically everything is the Corolla. Yeah? When you go around the car, you'll find that it's the Corolla. The interior, nothing is really special. But it comes to the special part. Obviously, there's some Alexes that don't have the side skirts there. This one has it, and some sportier versions. Now, this particular trim is not the sportier version. It's not the ordinary version though. It's in the middle there. What makes it special? Let's see. Come. Eno engine mwagimanyi na mu Toyota Wish ngibaletedde mu Alex. Wala. Eno engine gye bayita 2ZZ GE. Eno engine osobola ogisanga mu Caldina. The people that have driven the Caldina before, Caldina eyo gye bayitanga Caldina new model. Eno engine mwogisanga. Osobola ogisanga mu mmoloka gye bayita Celica naye nga ya manual. Eyina omumoloka awo obw'amaanyi mwebeera. Now this engine was tuned to give us performance. Tegenda kuwa fuel efficiency gy'oyagala, naye egenda kuwa performance. So it's a blend of performance, it gives you power, it has very good response at high revs. Kitegeeza emmoloka esobola okudduka nedduka ne Subaru Outback. Esobola kuba maanyi Outback eyinza ogireka naye si nnyo.
Taking tools from the basics up, tracking gear and car kit stuff. If you're new or a seasoned vet, for the love of cause you ain't seen nothing yet.
This is the ZZ mwagimanyira mu Wish, mostly in the Wish. Now obviously this one looks a little bit different, but still it's the same engine. Now mu mmotoka nga Celica ebeera ejjira mu manual, so it gives you a lot of horsepower. Wano mu automatic ebeera engeri gyebeera nti its 4-speed equal about 180 horsepower, which is actually okay, which is very manageable. Bw'otunula wano, kino ekintu kyokka kye kyawula emmoloka eno. Naye this can make a very big difference. So when I saw it, I said, lwaki sigireeta? Special shout out to Ariki Motors that gave us access to this car. Let's look at the interior. Come. Emmoloka eno, obviously the owner yagiteekamu seat covers. Did I show you the dashboard? Did I show you the clock? Ekisawa kirabe bwe kyaka red. Nice. And did I show you the handbrake? That is an actual handbrake. This is an actual handbrake. To go. And it's 4-speed. Everything else is ordinary. Now, the one thing that people like about the Alex is that it feels like a normal car. It feels like it's a saloon, yet it's not a saloon. It feels like it's a Mark X, yet it's not a Mark X. It feels like it's a Corolla, yet it's not a Corolla. And it's the thing that people like about this car, especially the young people, is the compactness. Do you know what they mean to be compact? A car can decide to be like this, like bulky, like the Crown. Or it can decide to be like this, compact. What does that tell us? It tells us it's very easy for us to maneuver when we're driving in town.
It's right, all the new, they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz, or Mazda, we break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tell.
Yangu emabega. Emabega eno, nayo, naye ejine, seat covers eno emabega tezirabika nga makasaka ishi, but it's still masaka ishi. Emabega eno, this car will give you very good legroom. Yeah, to give us very good legroom. Not as impressive as we would want, but very good. Now, this car will also come with very good sound system because it has huge speakers, both in the front seats, in the front doors, and then of course there are guys that like to wise nga mwekwata wano. Buli muntu akwata wano oli wa lugezigezi. Tula mu motoka normally woti. Mwefula nti mwe mwasooka okulaba emmotoka mukwata wano. Okwata what? Why are you touching here? Why? That the car is going to shake you like this. Like it has space to shake you. Let's look at the boot. Boot eno nerabide bwe bagigula. Like this. Now, it has a huge boot where you can put plenty of your stuff in here. And then of course when you open here, you have the space for your spare tire, jack and all. And then no damu no garawo chi plastic chochino vojira. Now, this, I don't know how many batches. This will take one batch of matoke. For us matoke eaters, it will take only one batch of matoke. But it's still good. You put a woofer back here and you have very good sound system, yeah? Now, omuto guno ndabye gwawukana. Normally when you find a car, ngo omuto guno gwawukana bwe guti, sigala awo nkulage. You find a car ngo omuto go gwawukana. There must be something that I can pull and the car and the seat goes down. The thing is it lost, I cannot find it. And the city I can't see kalaba. Gwemanya tino guno muto gwawukana. Guno sobolo gusula ne gugweri noti kamwe ebintu byo. No sigazo musabazo munga yatula. Just like that. So let me just replace the Masakai seat covers here because kambuze kembadde njagala. But just know you can actually make this seat go down. Ne gugwa wano bwe guti. And njagala nnyo kalaba, but because of the seat covers I can't see. There is a lever you pull here ne gugwa. Ne seat covers ibisse buli kimu. So I don't like seat covers.
The story's right, all the new they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz, or Mazda, we break it down, no propaganda.
Omuto gumbuze bagusitulira. Sijja kufana mito. Let me just see. Was it lifted? Barara. Yes, it was. When you look at the coil, ogiraba coil spring eyo. Boyambuka paka oli waggulu waliwo ekintu ekiri awo. Bateekayo spacer. Let me show you in the front. Probably in the front, you'll be able to see exactly how they lift these cars. Now, emotoka eno bagiwa kye tuyita spacer. Yino. Spacer ogirabye. Come here, awaliwo amazzi. Spacer yino. This thing is added. Tekijjirako, it helps the car go up. Now, the ground clearance is not impressive, but this car is normally driven by young people, but it's actually very good. Eri waggulu bulungi. And how do you know a car that has not been mistreated? Bw'otunula kana akabalaza, kana akantu okalaba kano. Kasita okalaba nkakyali intact, omanya amakanika tebagyonoonye, nyini otagikulubudde buli wamu. So it's basically a very, I find that it's raised high enough. I don't like the car, but people like it. Now, there is something that happens. The Toyota Alex and the Runx are almost the same thing. Emotoka ezo zibeera ze zimu, ziba zifaanagana. Now, there are instances where you'll find the Runx nameplate ng'efaananira ddala bweti. Then you'll find the Alex ng'efaananira ddala bweti. And sometimes kali akatag k'emabega bwe kabula omuntu asobola okukwata n'akateekawo n'otamanya. Where is the actual difference? Emotoka ezo bw'ozitunda zonna ziba ze zimu. They were all made for the Japanese domestic market. The Alex, the Runx were all sold inside Japan. What is the difference? The difference is that the Runx has a bit of sportier parts than the Alex. But still those parts bw'ozikwata n'ozisa ku Alex zigendako. Ojja sanga nga bumper ekyuseemu, osange grill ng'ekyuseemu, obikwata byonna n'obikwata n'obissa ku mmoloka eri ne bigendako. 95% of the parts are the same. Tujja gamba na 95 ng'esukkamu. Why am I saying that? Buli kimu ekikola mu Runx mu Alex kikolamu. Buli kikola mu Runx mu Alex kikolamu. Kakibeere mitto kakibeere ki. So teweewuunyanga oli n'akuguze mmoloka nga mu logbook eyogera Alex naye nga nameplate eyogera Runx. Oba olina akuguza emmotoka mu logbook egamba Runx naye nga nameplate egamba Alex. It's all the same, because I'm seeing some people are going to be confused in so many ways, but this is how we go.
Break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tale. Village try to see the scale. We talk the truth of just a
Guys, thank you very much for being part of this episode of our reviews. Remember, we are on our journey to make 100,000 subscribers. Tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. Now, if any member of your family doesn't know about this channel, nga they are going to buy cars, nga tamanyi ku channel no. I don't know. Era gwe bw'obanga channel wagizudde muganda onookizula nti naye yali agimanyi nga teyagamba munyiigire. Okay, I don't want to separate your families, but that's what we should be doing. Because eno channel buli muntu agenda okugula emmoroka, ayagala emmoroka, eyagula emmoroka, gwe baakolako emikolo. You are supposed to know about this channel. You're supposed to know about this channel. Now, tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe to the channel so that make 100,000 subscribers. Now, if you are going to buy a Toyota Alex or Toyota Runx and you need pre-purchase inspection services, you need post-purchase test drives, or you need diagnostic test drive, I'm your man. I do everything. I charge a small fee, and when we are inspecting, we do everything from computerized check, engine check, transmission check, chassis check, aesthetics check, and the logbook. Gw'omulimu gwo guli gumu gwakugamba sijagala njagala nga Arthur akebera nga makanika amugamba kino tujja kikola bwe kiti nga Arthur akwa inspection report ng'emmoroka agiwanika ku mutimbagano ng'ennamba agikweka ng'ensi yonna agigamba bye mwaguze nga naawe obeerayo nga comment ozirayo nga Arthur abantu nga bagamba banzibye nga Arthur akugamba lwaki olowooza baakubbye ebyo byonna byonna tubimalanga. Until next time guys, ciao.